We have another stormy weekend coming up. Here's an update on our expected severe weather recorded around 1:30 on Friday. We've issued a flash flood watch until 7 a.m. on Sunday for the counties you see shaded in green on this map. Flash flooding will be possible. It's not going to take a lot of rain to cause flash flooding issues in the watch area, even though we're only expecting maybe 1 to 2 inches to fall over most areas between now and Sunday morning. It won't take very much with saturated grounds already in place. Our severe weather risk for today will actually be this evening. We expect the main risk of severe weather to be after 8 o'clock tonight and continuing into the early morning hours on Saturday. There is a slight risk over far northwest and west central Oklahoma, with a marginal risk over parts of north central and western Oklahoma down into western North Texas. The tornado potential for today, tonight, and early Saturday morning is very, very low. We're expecting marginally severe thunderstorms if we see them at all, with quarter to half dollar size hail and maybe some wind gusts up over 60 miles an hour. And again, the main risk of those thunderstorms is going to be after 8 o'clock tonight. Saturday is more concerning. We're going to be watching very carefully how Saturday evolves. Much like last Saturday, if we see a lot of rain and thunderstorms early on Saturday, and if that persists into the late morning or the early afternoon, the lower the chances of significant severe weather are going to be. If we see clearing and the atmosphere is able to destabilize behind the morning showers and thunderstorms that we think we're going to see across the area Saturday, then we're going to have more opportunity for significant severe weather. So we have outlined an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms over much of our area, central western Oklahoma, western North Texas. If we do get the instability, if we see some clearing tomorrow afternoon and the atmosphere is able to become warm and humid and unstable, we'll see a higher potential for tornadoes, maybe some large damaging hail, golf ball to baseball size hail perhaps, and gusty winds. A lot of questions about tomorrow. This is not a guarantee. I think everybody will see rain and thunderstorms at some point during the day on Saturday, whether it's in the morning or the second round in the afternoon and evening. How bad it gets and how serious the storms are is going to depend very much on what happens Saturday morning and early Saturday afternoon. So watch for changes and watch for updates to this forecast as we go through early in the day on Saturday. You want to check the weather Saturday morning and probably check it again sometime midday Saturday, because we could be evolving into a more serious situation here with dangerous thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening on Sunday. The peak time for severe weather Saturday afternoon and evening would be between 3 p.m. and midnight as it looks right now. But stay tuned about Saturday. There's still lots of questions, and we can't tell you for sure what's going to happen, but we can tell you for sure you need to pay attention and stay aware. So, highlights after 8 o'clock tonight through Saturday morning, a few severe thunderstorms and some threat of flash flooding over mainly western Oklahoma, western North Texas. Then, round two comes after 3 o'clock on Saturday and continuing through the afternoon and evening. We'll look for new storms to potentially form along the dry line in far western Oklahoma. How bad they get will depend on how unstable the air mass is, and that'll depend on the clouds and the rain, how soon they move out of here on Saturday morning. If we get those supercells developing along the dry line, then we'll have all kinds of severe weather possible, from tornadoes to large hail, damaging wind, and even flash flooding. Please stay alert, stay tuned to the weather. Don't leave home or don't go about your business on Saturday without checking the weather in the morning and midday sometime, just to see where we are on the severe weather risk.